Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today we are going to discuss about physical properties and the structures of alkenes. Alkenes, also known as paraffins or saturated hydrocarbons. Now, alkenes are hydrocarbons consisting entirely of carbon and hydrogen atoms bonded together by a single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. Here we can say these are the single bonds. And they are called as saturated because they contain the maximum number of hydrogen atoms possible given by a number of carbon atoms. Like these are the 3 carbon atoms, we can connect the maximum hydrogen due to the single bond present in it. Okay, that's the reason. These are called the saturated hydrocarbons. And general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where N represents the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. Now, on moving to physical properties of alkanes, then first of all, the state of matter. Alkanes with fewer carbon atoms are typically gaseous at room temperature. Okay, for example, methane and ethane. But for the longer carbon chains, they are liquid, like hexane, heptane. Even they are solid also, or known in decane. Means on increasing the number of carbon atoms, they will change their state of matter also, from gas to liquid to solid. Boiling point. Generally, the boiling point of alkanes increases with increasing molecular weight or the number of carbon atoms. Melting point. Alkanes with higher molecular weight tend to have the higher melting point. Solubility. Alkanes are non-polar molecules and are therefore generally insoluble in polar molecules and like soluble in non-polar solvent. Okay, insoluble in polar and soluble in non-polar. Density. Density of alkanes increases with increasing the molecular weight. Now, if we'll talk about the structural properties of alkanes, then they are having linear chains like this. All the carbons are connected with each other with a single hydrogen. Their examples can be methane, ethane, and propane, like this also. For the branch chain, like this we can say, they can have the branch chain where additional carbon atoms are attached to the main carbon chain, creating branching points. Like these are the branching points. Branching affects the physical properties of alkanes such as boiling point and viscosity. Isomers with branched chain often have lower boiling points compared to their straight chain compound. Now, cycloalkanes. Some alkanes can form cyclic structures also. These are known as cycloalkanes, we can say. This is cyclopropane, we can write it as C3H6, and cyclohexane, we can write it as C6H12. Cycloalkanes have different physical properties compared to their linear and branched chain. It is having higher boiling point and greater ring string. Now, thank you. Thanks for watching.